So now I'm just wiping off any excess fabric clean, and you can see that there's a huge difference between the dirty, greasy side and the thoroughly clean and disinfected side. So like I keep mentioning, the fabric clean, it penetrates the surface and it's going to help lift up any deep setting stains, as well as any odors or anything else that's causing your floor mats to look not so great. I'm going to take off the tape to show you guys that real 50-50. And in the meantime, you guys can head over to our website and check out these products for yourself. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.